20th question is solve the differential equation x dy by dx plus y is equals to x cos x plus sin x, given that y is equals to 1 when x is equals to pi by 2. So we have to solve the equation given this, and by using y is equals to 1 when x is equals to pi by 2. So let's jump into the answer. So the given equation can be written as dy by dx plus y by x cos equals to cos x plus sin x upon x. So we can write the equation like this. For the equation to solve, this is the formula. We can use e is equals to integration 1 by x dx e log x is equals to x. So the solution is y dot x is equals to integration x cos x plus sin x dx plus c. So this equation will be, after putting this, will be y into x is equals to integration x cos x plus sin x dx. So after that we can further solve like this. Y into x is equals to x sin x plus c. We can write that in this way. After solving this, we will get this. Or we can write it in this way, or y is equals to sin x plus c by x. We just simply take x this side. So when we put x is equals to pi by 2 here and here, and y is equals to 1, we simply get c is equals to 0. We simply get c is equals to 0. So the required solution is y is equals to sin x. So the solution will be y is equals to sin x. Thank you.